Hi, Chef Mark here from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Today I'm preparing peach cobbler. Now the recipe I'm making today is actually a dump cake recipe, but it's still very good, requires very few ingredients, 5 actually, 2 of which are optional. But it's fun to make, it's delicious, and most of all easy, real easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, let's go over our ingredients. Now the first thing I have are 2 cans of peaches. I also have some cinnamon. I have a yellow cake mix. I have 1/4 cup of butter and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Now I'm going to spray my 9 by 13 inch cake pan really well with some no stick. Then I'll dump in both cans of peaches, juice and everything. I'll take my spatula and just kind of flatten all that out so it's nice and even. Then I'll sprinkle on my brown sugar. Then just to sprinkle on a little bit of cinnamon like that. And then I'll take my cake mix and I'll sprinkle on the cake mix. Now I'm not going to stir this in, I'm just going to sprinkle it on top. Once I've sprinkled on all the cake mix, I'm going to maybe flatten it out a little bit with my spatula, but I won't mix it in. Then I'll take a little bit more cinnamon and sprinkle that on top. Then I'll take my butter. I've cut those into little squares. I'll just place a square every inch or so until they're all used up. Now that I've got the butter on there, it's ready to go in the oven. It'll be in the oven at 350 for about maybe 50 or 60 minutes. So now it's in the oven. Now we wait. Okay, so the peach cobbler is out of the oven. It was in there for about 55 minutes. The whole time it was in there, it smelled great. I couldn't wait to try it. So I have a spoon, so I'm going to dig in and try some. Okay, here it is. Oh wow, that looks good. Wow. That's good. Wow, that's very tasty. Right away, you can taste the topping, that nice cake flavor. It's excellent. It's almost like a crisp. It's really good. It's cooked perfectly. Very tasty. Very flavorful. Wow. That is one delicious dessert. You know what would be perfect on this is a scoop of French vanilla ice cream. That'd be great. Wow. But by itself, this is really, really good. Wow. I've said many times, it's hard to believe, a recipe with so few ingredients could taste so good. But this is fantastic. This is really good. Absolutely wonderful. Well, there it is, my friends. Peach cobbler. Until we eat again, I'm Chef Mark from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Cheers.
Wow.
Hi, me again. Today when I made peach cobbler, I used cinnamon and sugar. You can also use nutmeg and vanilla, or why not add some raisins? Or how about some slivered almonds on top for garnish? And if you want to try something different, use an angel food cake mix and add some canned pineapple. Or maybe a white cake mix and add some canned pears. Or if you really want to try something different, how about a chocolate cake mix with cherries? It'll be kind of like a Black Forest cake. All you have to do is add the whipped cream. You know, cooking can be difficult, but doesn't have to be. So go ahead, be the cook, be the chef, be the mad scientist in your own kitchen. The people you cook for, let them be your guinea pigs. Just don't poison anyone. So go ahead, have fun, keep on cooking, and bon appetit, my friends. Bye now.